Hi everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los DeWitts. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious pasta salad that is perfect as a side dish for many things, for everything, and especially for turkey and tamales. I love this as my side dish for turkey and tamales. Okay, let's start. Hi everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los DeWitts. Like I said, today we're going to show you how to make this delicious pasta. It's a cold pasta salad that I love to make when we are cooking our turkey or Thanksgiving dinner or when we make tamales. But it's delicious just by itself or with any other dish, just like a side dish. Traditionally, we use elbows pasta, but you can use any shape or any brand of pasta that you like. But this time I'm gonna use the elbows. We are just going to cook the pasta in around 4 to 6 quarts of water, and we're just gonna bring it to a rolling boil. And I like to add a little bit of salt and oil to the water before I put the pasta to cook, and it usually cooks around 7 minutes. So the first step is to start cooking the pasta. I already have my water almost ready. It's gonna start to boil in a minute, so we're gonna start cooking the pasta. The other ingredients that we're gonna need when our pasta is ready, we are going to use 1 pound of shredded carrots, or if you have the other regular carrots, you can just cut it in little pieces or shred it. Around a pound of carrots too. We're gonna use 1 head of shredded lettuce. I have everything ready here already. We're gonna use half a pound of ham, any ham that you like. I like this just cooked ham. And we're gonna use around 10 ounces of olives, any olives that you like. I like these stuffed olives. They're stuffed with bell pepper. They're delicious. And we're gonna use salt and pepper to taste if you want to add some more. And we're gonna use 1 cup of mayo, any mayo that you like. And these are all the ingredients that we're gonna need to make this delicious pasta salad. Okay, let's start boiling our pasta. Okay guys, my water is boiling and I'm just gonna add like a spoon of oil, and I'm gonna add some salt to taste, and then I'm gonna add the pasta, and it's in a rolling boil, and I'm gonna let it cook for around 7 minutes or until the pasta is al dente, any way you like your pasta to be done. Okay, let's start with that. Okay guys, let's start mixing all the ingredients while the pasta is cooking. So it's gonna take around 7 minutes. So we're just gonna mix all these ingredients together, and it doesn't matter what order you do it. We're just gonna start adding everything here and mixing it super good. So when the pasta is ready, we just add the pasta to our salad. All the ingredients in this container. Now we're just gonna mix them all together super good so everything is integrated, all the flavors, all the ingredients, and we're gonna do it little by little. Okay, it's been 8 minutes and our pasta is done. Now we're gonna drain it and we are going to let it cool down for around 10 minutes. Okay, we are draining the water from the pasta, and it's important for us to let it cool down at least for 10 minutes before we add it to the salad, because if we put it in our salad when it's hot, the vegetables, the lettuce, the carrots are just gonna kind of cook and it's not gonna have a good flavor. So we have to let it sit for 10 minutes or until it's completely cooled down. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it in these other containers just so it cools down a little bit faster. Okay guys, now that the pasta is cold, we're gonna put it with the salad and we're gonna start mixing it to get our pasta salad ready. Okay, we're just mixing the pasta, and this is a step. When you're done mixing the pasta, you can have a taste it and see if it needs more salt and pepper, and you just add it as much as you want. That was the final step to get the pasta ready. So now it's ready, and you can use it for any side dish, eat it by itself or eat it with chips, and it's delicious. I'm making it today to have it with a turkey that I'm cooking, so it's gonna be perfect and delicious. Let's get a plate ready. And the delicious pasta salad is ready. Look how colorful and delicious, and it's ready to eat. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los DeWitts.